There's an obvious end to this game we're playing.
Good morning, everybody. Well, this is a bit unusual, isn't it? For the second time on a Camino, I'm leaving Boadilla del Camino the wrong way. 2 times. Quite a morning that was this morning, because I'm never very good at goodbyes. So after having 2 days and 3 nights with my beautiful friends Ricky and Erica from Camino Tellers, we have to go our own separate ways now. I could have done a whole Camino with them there. That was so much fun, such great people, and it's a funny thing, walking on a Camino with somebody for a while. It really amplifies the level of friendship. You know, we've been talking for about 6 months but never met. We only spend half a week together, and it feels like somebody you've known for years, that you're probably not going to see again for a couple of years. Who knows? Who knows?
Stay, or do you want me to go? There is someone for me, and that someone should know. That someone is you. That someone is you. That someone is you. That someone is you. There's an obvious end to this game we're playing. I say nothing, you say nothing, and nobody wins. Do you want me to stay, or do you want me to go? There is someone for me, and that someone should know. That someone is you. That someone is you. That someone is you. That someone is you. I could feel it in my bones.
About 9 days left, 10 days left, I think. So I'm getting the feeling that people get on their first Camino as they're approaching Santiago, which is a double-sided thing with, I'm nearly there, linked with, I'm nearly there. Because you don't want it to finish, you're excited to get to the end, but this freedom, this life where you can't even remember what day of the week it is. It's so sad for it to finish, for the sun to go down on it. There's a lot of peace here on Camino.
When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won.
Good morning, everybody. I've not got a lot to say. I've only been up awake about 2 minutes so far, and I've had no coffee. But when I realised I'd woke up early enough for this, I thought I should really come running outside and have a little chat to you. So I'm going to have a short day today now, I think. Or is it a long day? I'm going to have a day today. I'm going to walk on the Camino. Look at that. Good morning. Oh, the Camino is crazily quiet now. So if we consider, as you can see from the sun, I'm walking in the wrong direction. Although it's the right direction for me. It's 9 a.m. and there's nobody coming that way. There's nobody that way.
From me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done now that we're apart. When I look at what I've won, I've come so far.
If you're planning at some point on walking the Camino yourself, don't forget to read the description of this video, which has got all kinds of useful links to help you get the stuff you need and lots more. Well, this is Meeting Point, a really popular albergue in Hornillos, and every time I've been to this town I've never been able to stay there. It's always been fully booked, so I made sure that I'm able to stay there this time to figure out why it's so popular. And the answer is it's just a very good albergue. Very good.
Every night when I close my eyes, I see.
Almost next door we have this albergue, which I believe is owned by the son of Emilio Estevez.
Just you when you say that beauty lives in me.
Morning everybody, it's Saturday and I'm leaving now Hornillos, and I'm probably just going to walk all the way into Burgos unless I find somewhere just outside of town, with it being Saturday. If I can find somewhere in Tardajos, however you say that, then I will. Bit sad leaving all the flat land behind me. It's so beautiful to walk at this time of the morning, and I'm on my own. There are very few pilgrims around now in June. This is just right for me, I think. Just the right amount. You can get together with people in the evening, but in the daytime, it feels like you've got the whole of Spain to yourself.
I was indeed happy, now you're telling me it's over. I wonder what's next, you know we're getting older. To be broken. Take me to where the mountains can kill. People are free and time stands still. Whatever makes my heart come to life or fall apart. Show me the best, the worst of the world. I hope that's the life that you prefer. And if you want to go with me there, just let me know. Roll the dice, you don't live twice. Roll the dice. I found myself in tears when reading old letters. And something isn't right when looking back is better.